In this video, we show you how easy it is to file the tax return for Belcotax on web using an Excel application from Supertax. After ordering, you will receive the files by email. Save these on your computer. Open the Excel file by double-clicking on it. The file works with built-in macros. Your computer's security settings may prevent the file from being opened. We explain how this can be remedied in another video. When you open the file, a menu appears in the center of your screen. At the bottom of your screen you will see the tabs Versending, Angifte, and Fiche 281. Fill in the requested data. The fields with a yellow background are compulsory. You can also copy and paste this data from another data source. If you have already created XML files in the past, you can select them from the menu to load the data automatically. You can modify, delete, or add data. Be careful not to disturb the numbering in the first column. The order of numbering should be sequential unless it is to correct a declaration already submitted. When all data have been entered, click on File, Create XML File in the menu to create the file on your computer. Of course, you can also visualize and print the individual statements in Dutch, French, or German. The individual statements can also easily be exported. The individual statements can also be easily exported in PDF files. The name of these PDF files refers to the number of the fiche and the name of the beneficiary. The validation module converts the XML file into a Belcotax on web file. Double-click on the file to open the Java file. Click Browse to convert the XML file to a Belcotax on web file. The file can then be loaded on the website. Go to the Belcotax on web website and log in with your identity card or It's Me as the sender of the file. Select the Belcotax on web file and enter your email address. After sending, the fiscal administration will send you a confirmation of receipt of the transmission. Within 24 hours you will receive a confirmation of the validation of your shipment. That's how easy it is. Should you have any questions, you can always contact us by email.